Advanced vocabulary with meanings.
Abscond. Meaning, to leave hurriedly and secretly, often to escape from custody or avoid trouble. Examples: the suspect absconded before the police could arrest him. He absconded with the company's funds, leaving no trace behind. Belittle. Meaning, to make someone or something seem unimportant or insignificant. Examples: she felt hurt when her boss belittled her contributions in the meeting. It's unfair to belittle someone's hard work without understanding their effort. Cajole. Meaning, to persuade someone to do something by flattery or coaxing. Examples: he managed to cajole his friend into joining the debate team. The salesman cajoled the customers into buying the expensive product. Debilitate. Meaning, to weaken or hinder the strength of someone or something. Examples: the prolonged illness debilitated his ability to work efficiently. Extreme weather conditions can debilitate even the strongest athletes. Exacerbate. Meaning, to make a problem, situation, or feeling worse. Examples: his rude remarks only exacerbated the tension in the room. Pollution has exacerbated the effects of climate change globally. Fabricate. Meaning, to invent or create something, often with the intent to deceive. Examples: he fabricated a story to cover up his mistake. The journalist was fired for fabricating evidence in his report. Galvanize. Meaning, to shock or inspire someone into taking action. Examples: the tragic event galvanized the community to demand justice. Her speech galvanized the team into working harder for the championship. Hamper. Meaning, to hinder or obstruct progress. Examples: bad weather hampered the rescue efforts. His lack of confidence hampered his ability to speak fluently. Impoverish. Meaning, to make someone or something poor or weaker in quality. Examples: the war impoverished thousands of families in the region. Excessive mining has impoverished the land, making farming difficult. Jettison. Meaning, to throw away or abandon something unnecessary. Examples: the pilot had to jettison extra fuel to lighten the aircraft. She decided to jettison her old habits and start fresh. Lament. Meaning, to express sorrow, grief, or regret. Examples: The poet lamented the loss of his homeland in his writings. She lamented wasting years on a job she disliked. Mitigate. Meaning, to make something less severe or serious. Examples: the government took measures to mitigate the impact of inflation. Wearing a seatbelt helps mitigate injuries in case of an accident. Negate. Meaning, to nullify or make ineffective. Examples: his reckless actions negated all his previous efforts. A single mistake can negate years of hard work. Obfuscate. Meaning, to deliberately make something unclear or difficult to understand. Examples: the politician obfuscated his true intentions with vague statements. The technical jargon in the report obfuscated its main points. Placate. Meaning, to calm or pacify someone, often by making concessions. Examples: the manager tried to placate the angry customers with a refund. He brought flowers to placate his upset girlfriend.
Quell.
Meaning, to suppress or put an end to something, often forcefully. Examples: the government sent troops to quell the violent protests. She took deep breaths to quell her rising anxiety. Reiterate. Meaning, to say something again for emphasis or clarity. Examples: the teacher reiterated the instructions to ensure everyone understood. He reiterated his commitment to the project in the meeting. Substantiate. Meaning, to provide evidence or proof to support a claim. Examples: the lawyer substantiated her argument with strong evidence. The scientist substantiated his theory with detailed research.
Undermine.
Meaning, to weaken or damage something, often gradually. Examples: spreading false rumors can undermine a person's reputation. Constant criticism undermined his confidence over time.
Vilify.
Meaning, to speak about someone in a harsh or critical manner. Examples: the media vilified the politician for his controversial remarks. He was unfairly vilified by his opponents during the debate.